I did these. Yes, I did those. I decorated.
Back up in the stand, I see the fakeness with my eyes. Tell me that they love me, no they hating in disguise. Find it hard.
What's up, y'all? It's Ashby and welcome back to my TV. And today we are doing another DIY tutorial. So I have these dang, what are they called? Letters. Like, I have these letters that I had my freshman year of college, and I use them to decorate my room. And my sister is headed to, or she's at UGA now, and I thought, like, why don't I just like revamp her letters and give them to her like as a gift, because she has this lamp that I feel it would match perfectly with. I don't know, I just been doing little stuff. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so this is the before of the letters. My sister hates pink and she doesn't really like much sparkle, so I decided to go in with this spray paint that I got from Walmart. I like this spray paint because it's cute. Like, what? So I went in like twice just to make sure that everything was covered. And I used these gems that I got from Hobby Lobby to go around the perimeter of the letters. I stuck the gems on with E600 glue. Now, this glue is really sticky, so eventually I ended up switching to a hot glue gun. But I know y'all didn't want to watch me put all these rhinestones around it, so I just went ahead and skipped that part. But this is the finished product, and I hope you like this super quick DIY tutorial for home decor. Don't forget to subscribe. I did these. See you guys in the next video. Yes, I did those. I decorated them.
Essential feet cause I'm the prize. Let me tell you something true, girl. Rock with me, I'll show you a brand new